Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 202. Now you probably noticed a couple things. We're going to start the timer. You notice it's in a different place. I thought I'd take up less room, and you see this cake with a lot of candles. Now this obviously looks like a fire hazard, and I laughed at it until I realized after counting the candles, it has few candles on it than I need for my birthday, which is today by the way. So I just thought that that would give you a chuckle too. So today's topic is about researching for Native American ancestry and to maybe find somebody that's on the rolls. So you're going to go to search and card catalog and see where it says keywords. We're going to type in Indian roll, and we're going to first do it singularly because I want to show you the difference. Now I'm going to put an S at the end, and notice that it's going to bring up many more. So it does matter, so be careful there. This one has 7.5 million records. This is the U.S. Indian rolls. Now, if you don't find, a relative in this, then you can go through the others, and that's what we're talking about in the tree tag video. You can tag them as not found or found, and that way you can say maybe Native American has been researched. Maybe that's your tag, but you'll come in here to the Indian rolls, and it'll bring it up. And because Wilson died, he was the full blood ancestor. He died before these rolls were taken. He died in the 1870s. This is 1885. So I'm gonna put in his son to see if we find him in these rolls. Now you see there's 108 here. Now you can also go back and search the other card catalogs, like I said, or I'm going to give you another place to look. If you look at okhistory.org/research/Dawes, you can put in your family name here and research your Native American ancestors as well. The complete Dawes Rose is available here online for you to search. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in your comments below if you'd like to see more at 4 on this topic. And happy birthday wishes from me to all of y'all.